To meet our next our friend, all you have to do is just to raise your right hand as high as you can. Ano kaya ito? Alam mo pa po ba, ma'am, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Kasi ang gagawin natin ngayon ay sayo ba kayo, ma'am? Sayo, ma'am! Hello, guys? That's right. Ano kaya ito? Now, guys, can you give your final bye-bye to your family and friends? Because this might be the last meeting. Bye-bye! Yan. Ma'am, ano pong message niyo, ma'am, sa family and friends niyo, ma'am? Hindi, joke lang, no? Please, bring that. That's right. Now, guys, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands just like this. Mabubuhat na po natin yung camel, ma'am. Kasi 5 na kayo. Natatakot po ba kayo, ma'am? Sakto lang ang takot. Ito, ma'am. Kung pagbibigyan ka ng pagkakataon lumipat dun sa kabilang dulo, lilipat ka. Hindi na. Sige. How about you, ma'am? Kung pagbibigyan ka ng pagkakataon lumipat dun sa kabilang dulo, magpalit ka ni ma'am, lilipat ka.
Dito lang ako.
Magstay ka dyan. Walang umatakapan ko. Tingnan natin kung tama ang desisyon mo. Yes, you are. Yes, you. Pero mag-relax lang po kayo kasi nandito kami. Nandito ating mga handlers. Nandun ang medic sa labas. Okay? Now for the last question, guys. Are you guys ready? Parang hindi. Parang si ma'am, takot si ma'am. Takot po ba kayo, ma'am? Ma'am, anong hula niyo kung anong lalabas namin na?
Amen.
Hahas daw. Hindi po hahas yun. Kasi puro paa. Ano kaya yun?
Tiger.
Ma'am, lipat po kayo. Lipat po kayo naman. Ay, wag na, wag na. Joke lang, joke lang, joke lang. Now guys, again and again, I just want to remind you that whatever the animal... Paano? Paano nga? Ay, nasaan? Parang ganun, bumanun siya. Bobong. Ewan ko na lang mamaya. Now, gusto ko sabay-sabay. Gusto ko pasigaw na. Again guys, are you ready? How about you guys? Are you ready? Yes! We're ready now all the way from the Southeast Asia. Tiny. And it could weigh up to 200 to 300 pounds. Ganun, no? Ganun yung si... Bumatagyan ka, ma'am! Other shirt? Dito po tayo, ma'am. Ikot ka dito, ma'am. Hindi, si ma'am dito. Kasi mayapang po eh. Palit po kayo, ma'am. Palit po kayo, palit. Yan, interviewin ko to si ma'am. Yan. Hi ma'am, happy afternoon. What's your name, ma'am?
Kylie.
Ma'am Kylie, where are you from, ma'am?
Manila.
Manila. Nice to meet you, ma'am. This is your first time to hold a snake, ma'am. Yan. Sige, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Gusto mo, sumayaw tayo ngayon, ma'am. Ma'am, what's it to hold the head part, ma'am? Ma'am, alam niyo po ba yan si Tiny at 3 buwan lang hindi kumakain? Hindi, paborito talaga yung mga naka-white. Pati si ma'am, lumayo-layo ka dyan, ma'am. Hindi, joke lang. Ma'am, relax lang po kayo dyan, ma'am. Kasi nandito po ating handlers, hindi kanya papabayaan, okay? Ang lilikot ng mga to, ah. Buti na dito sa bandang dulo. Hi, ma'am, may afternoon, what's your name?
Trixie.
Ma'am Trixie, taga saan po si Ma'am Trixie?
Antipolo.
Antipolo. Is it your first time to hold the snake pen? Parang basic na basic si mo kay ma'am, oh. Hindi ka pala natatakot, ma'am. Natatakot. Gusto niyo po ba hawakan yung bandang ulo, ma'am? Ayaw daw ni ma'am. Guys, gusto niyo po ba hawakan si Ma'am Trixie yung bandang ulo ni Tiny? Relax ka lang dyan, ma'am, because we are going to switch. Head goes to here and tail goes to there.
Tapos
Hawak mo ang beat, ma'am. That's right. And guys, did you know that parents have a very poor eyesight? But underneath their jaw, we have small holes or pits which serves as infrared scanners and they report like Hank's combination of eyesight, hearing, and taste. And guys, let's give a round of applause for Tiny the Albino Burmese Pilot and of course our brave volunteers. Wait lang. Marami pa akong tatanong. Hawakan niyo, ma'am. Ay, di, joke lang. Kunin niyo na kunin. Thank you so much, guys. And also, sanitizer po before you go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Pawisan sila.